Scalp micropigmentation (SMP) is an innovative and effective solution to restore the look of fuller hair by applying tiny pigment deposits that mimic natural follicles. At Cancun Hair, our certified specialists personalize every scalp micropigmentation treatment to perfectly match your unique style and hair color. The scalp micropigmentation process begins with precise color matching, blending pigments to resemble your natural hair shade. Next, during pigment application, we use advanced techniques to create realistic density and a natural hairline. Through careful layering and blending, the scalp micropigmentation builds depth and integrates flawlessly with your existing hair. Follow-up adjustments and touch-ups ensure the best results and your full satisfaction. With scalp micropigmentation, you get immediate, natural-looking results with minimal maintenance. It's ideal for covering bald spots, thinning hair, or scars. We only use hypoallergenic pigments, maintain strict hygiene protocols, and have internationally trained professionals to guarantee your safety and confidence. Take the first step toward a renewed look with scalp micropigmentation at Cancun Hair. Schedule your appointment today and transform your image.